O, nandito kami at nagsisiksikan kami sa isang maliit at madilim na sulok dito sa kwarto ng SP habang nagpuputukan pa rin sa gilid at nagtutulakan pagkat pilit na pumapasok yung mga NBI at yung kanilang mga kasamahan na may mahahabang baril dala-dala. At pinagsuot na nga ako ng bulletproof ng aking mga security. Ganun pa man, hindi tama itong nangyayari. Kung nais nilang nakipin si Senator Bato, hindi nila dapat ipinsala ang institusyon ng Senado, ang building ng Senado at ang mga senador. Hindi po tama itong nangyayari at nananawagan kami sa mga opisyal. Kung kayo ay busy o may ginagawa o kung ano-ano pa, pwede ba tulungan ninyo kami rito? At nagpapasaklolo na yung mga senador ng ating republika.
Okay, so si Senator Loren at si Senator Pia finally got in touch with the NBI director. So they're here, they're here in the room. We have to turn off the lights dahil may putukan na nangyayari. Si Senator Pia and si Senator Loren called the NBI director. He said wala daw sila dito dahil pinaalis daw nila dito. So he said, please find out what's happening kasi nagpuputukan. Sabi niya walang magagawa kasi pinaalis. And then he started saying, wag kami magtaas ng boses. What will you do, Director, kung may putukan na at lahat ng staff mo at yung mga usaan mo naka-vest na lahat and hindi malaman mangyayari? What would you do? Hindi ba dapat ang sagot mo, ma'am, sir, I'll go there, I'll make sure you'll help?
That's what I was expecting him to say. When Senator Loren was talking to him very calmly, I said, what are you gonna do about this? Pinuputukan kami dito. So sabi niya, hindi kami makalapit, pinalis nyo kami dyan. Sabi ko, well then do your job, make us safe, this is not good. Ma'am, wag mo ako sigawan. Yun lang ang masasabi mo sa akin. Pinuputukan kami, sasabihin mo sa akin, wag kitang sigawan. Sumisigaw ako dahil mataas ang emotion.
So, I'll give everyone context. 4 senators got tips 30 minutes ago while we were talking na umalis na dito kasi may mangyayari. So, yung isa kapwa senador, yung iba kung sino-sino nagsabi. So, the emotions are high here because bakit kami paalisin? We're waiting for the articles of impeachment and we're having a meeting. Nasabi lang dadating na. So, again, no? Kung sino nakikinig from the government, this is the Senate of the Philippines. We are allegedly under attack. The Sergeant of Arms has confirmed na may putukan na dito. So please, kung sinong nanonood, sinong nakikinig, we expect yung tawagan namin would understand the emotions here and will say we'll do something about it. No? So the rest, mga nasa Senate, turn off the lights, stay low. Kung may active shooters, follow the protocols.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Nandito na po si Secretary John Vic Remulla para maimbestigahan kaagad kung ano yung totoong nangyari. Kalma lang po kayo. Hintayin natin kung ano talaga yung nangyari. Sa mga kababayan natin nakikinig, huwag muna kayong masyadong mabahala. Hintayin natin lumabas yung katotohanan. Pero may nagkaputukan po rito kanina sa Senado. Nasa lockdown po ngayon ang Senado.
How many shots were fired at the briefing?
Dami. Fireworks.
We thought it was fireworks. But and those not for that?
Kanina,
Okay, let me get to the bottom of it. Everybody's here. Okay,
half are in the other room.
okay, let me get to them first. The president wants to speak.
So, I will, one thing lang. So, Vince called, saying the same thing. And I said, Vince, I believe you. You're my friend, I believe you. But he was saying it might be an inside whatever job. I won't think, sabi ko lang, Vince, independent investigation, yes. But I just wanted to know, when we were meeting 2 hours ago, there were some staff pulling out. And our staff here, umiikot kasi. They told our other staff and other senators, pull out, may mangyayari. And even our deputy secretary, I'll tell you who she is, she got the same text. And she told yung kausap niya na I can't leave, we're waiting for the articles of impeachment. So I mean, if it was an inside job from our side, from the 13, we wouldn't have been receiving. Just to make it. Yeah, we'll
Get the bottom.
I don't have
What
what
you have to know is that there is another entrance in this building.
Yes. And we were drilling holes from there.
Yes. So
And I told Vince, anyway, I told Vince, if it was from us, si Mao reported to me, they're inspecting even senators from administrator na GSIS. They're inisa-isa na lang. So this all happened when sinabi kay Mau, call the administrator, I'll formally talk to him and ask why is it, then it all happened. Okay.